Hi friends, welcome back to week 2 of the Chore Coat Quilt Along. Today I'm going to walk you through how to put the cuffs on your sleeves. In a previous video, I walked you through adding about 1.5 inches of length to your Chore Coat sleeve. If you want to refer back to that last video for the instructions, now I'm going to walk you through adding the cuffs. So I'm starting with my sleeve panel, 2 cuff sections, and some clips. To begin, you're going to take your cuff sections and sandwich the sleeve panel in between your cuff sections. Clip them together. Now these are a lot of layers of fabric to be sewing through, so a couple tips. I recommend using a walking foot. You can also lengthen your stitch length if your sewing machine is having trouble with it, and begin with a new needle. So I'm going to just sew my 3/8 inch seam right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I sewed these 2 sections just like this. Now we have the 2 sides of our cuffs sewn in. This next step, what we're going to do, we're going to flip it over. We're going to take our sleeve and roll it up into the cuff, just like this. We're going to take the cuff, right sides together, and clip it across, just like so. I'm going to sew my 3/8 inch seam right along here and come back and show you. So I have my sleeve. What I'm going to do now is start turning it right side out. And here we have our cuff. So I'm going to go press this, and the final step is to just top stitch right along here. Here's my final sleeve. I've top stitched my raw edges to enclose them. I've pressed this seam. You can also top stitch along here if you would like. I kind of like it to look a little bit looser, but this is my finished sleeve panel with the cuff attached. And later in the pattern, we will be attaching this to our body.